Hey guys, so it's nighttime and I'm doing a fake video about all my squishies and where I got them, which most of them were just homemade, and I'm faking about it just because I want to do a video, and I've been wanting to do a video for so long about squishies, but I can't remember all of the names where I got it. So what I'm going to do is a fake video about where I got it. I'm just going to make up names. So yeah. Woo! Look at this. Okay. Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back. So I'm going to show you all my squishies. Okay. One thing is, look at this jiggly guy. Woo! And then I actually made this, I'm serious. It's stretchy. Okay, so let's begin. So I have a Poppet. It's from Moose. And right here is my two French threads. They look really pretty. Next I have the other Poppets, but they gave me donuts. And this is another donut, and it actually had, sorry guys for the lighting, a Trolls, oh there we go, keychain, but in the back. Next we have the Poppet, and it comes with bubbles, and this is a banana. Next I have is bent. They're like in bends, so like, I don't know if you can see it because there's letters on it, but if you like this fast food place, comment down below about if you like it or not, and subscribe. This is my favorite squid. So then I have another one that has jam sauce, which is the sauce, and it's the Snoopy Dogs, and it's a chicken patty, I guess. So here it is. Then we have this Pan Man guy, and he has a troll keychain. I don't like taking him out because he really stinks and it stinks up your hands. Then we have this squishy, which I got on Easter. Ooh, bad lighting. That's so slow writing. Oh wait, how do I? it's so squishy. I heard if you squish them, the heads will rip off, so mine's about to rip off. So I don't know. Next we have a Rilakkuma. I don't know if you can see that. Chocolate Cafe. And I put this cute kitty sticker just because it matched. So here it is. I think it smells good. Then we have actually two. Look how cool they sound. This one's crying and it's a like stress ball, which I don't like that. How hard it is. Compare. It's not squishy, but it counts as a squishy, I guess, because the way they were made as a stress ball, and a stress ball is basically a squishy, but I wish it was less stress ball-y. Next, we have these two balls. They're super squishy. Here's a soccer ball. And here's a basketball. Next, I have this blush bun, this tiny blush bun. It has a mole. It's actually a tiny piece. You can't tell, but it opens. It's slow rising. There we go, the LE. Okay, welcome back. Just blocked him out. This is actually $50 online, and so yeah. It's actually so nice, and I love the packaging. It's so cute. You can take the bead off and just leave it, but I like it. And if you don't like the crumbling noise, I'm sorry. We have a whole bag of cakes in here. I don't like taking them out because you have to tie. But it's like a whole big squishy, basically. Okay. As you know, this one compared to this one. This is actually homemade. It was a tennis ball cut in half with a cute face on it that's slow rising. And with the sauce that's, you know, the bread and the face. Remember guys, this is fake. Fake. Super squishy. I'm serious, I love this one. It's so glittery. Oops. Look at this one. And I have another one. This is the original jam, macaron or macaroon. Here's the new one. This one's very hard and this one's soft. This is the yellow sunburn diet red. So small. This has so many defects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, but it's pretty squishy. Okay. I have this thingy, this jelly roll. It's really cute. Then I have this juice box, and you can actually put your finger in. Another juice box. And a jelly roll. Okay, moving on. I don't like him. I like him. It's a blueberry. Here's the moon. Very stretchy and very squishy. Next one. Here's, I don't know if you can see, here's a chocolate and here's a chocolate wrapper. And that's all for today. Okay, hold on. Bye. Okay, I hope you guys knew that was a fake. Because if you didn't and you watch my other videos, you say that's not true. Well, it's just a fake. So bye. I'm serious. Bye.